I think it's about time we had another unboxing. I think it's time to buy another knife. So today's unboxing is going to be a pretty small one because there's only 2 cameras in here and they're identical.
Hello, Danny.
I think that you guys might like what's in here because I know that I'm excited about it, and this is not like some of the other cameras that I've had, while also being like some of the other cameras that I've had in my previous unboxing videos, but a lot nicer.
Well, that's nice.
Oh yeah.
And by a lot nicer, I mean newer, I guess, or maybe not newer, just less used. But I won an auction for not 1, but 2 Olympus Infinity 80s. Now, you might recall from one of my previous videos that I had the Infinity 70, and I loved that camera, and I just had to pick up these 2 guys right here in the box.
Oh, what's in the box?
So I was thinking maybe we can open them up, see what they look like. Got original documentation, and we even have the strap. Brand new leaking batteries, which is lovely. Those are gonna go over here. And then the piece de resistance, the Olympus Infinities. This one hasn't even been taken out of its plastic yet. I think I'm gonna leave this one in its plastic. Let's open up the other one and see if it's still wrapped in plastic too, because that means I'd have to open one of them, right? And then we still got the case, slightly dusty. It's in perfect condition. Like, this thing isn't. It's still got film in it. All right, we got some fresh Amazon basics. Turns right on. So let's just go ahead and just rewind this boy. It's rewound. The rewind works. Great sign. I think what we gotta do next is take it out and shoot with it, right? So I'll catch you out there. Overall, the Olympus Infinity 80 performed super well, and it might be one of my new favorite film point-and-shoots in my collection. You may have noticed that some of the images did have a light leak, which was caused when I dropped the camera. So I was leaning over to take a picture of that gosling, and, well, the camera slipped out of my shirt pocket, fell on the ground. The film door didn't pop open, but it did cause a little bit of a light leak when it was jostled. So that begs the question, what am I going to do with the brand new one that's still in the plastic? Well, instead of selling it on my website at moonbeamcamera.com, I'm going to give it away at my 500 subscribers. So to enter that giveaway, feel free to leave a comment down below. You can just say comment, or you can leave your Instagram handle so that we can all share each other's work. Once we hit 500 subscribers, I'll be sure to announce it on the channel. I'll be providing subscriber updates on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me at MoonbeamBen. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. That'll help push it out and get us closer to that 500 subscribers. I have some exciting things planned down the line, so be sure to hit that bell icon so you get notified when new videos go live. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to support this channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos go live. If you're interested in seeing more, feel free to check out any of my other videos. Have a good one, and I hope to see you in the next video.